Beware of toxic perfume? Toxic perfumes. What is the issue of toxic perfumes? A myth revolves around perfumes in 5 countries that fall for the hoax of toxic perfumes. Rumors products phantoms sweeping Facebook. Spread in Algeria and the Emirates and Saudi Arabia and Egypt and Jordan, and it's over to know something. Know there is cases infection or death. Perfume killer spread out in markets, and he kills in duration 3 days and status use it. Warning, I released administry supply and statement she has claimed citizens with caution extreme and use this perfume or buy it. Follow it campaigns from ministries on different pharmacies, and he intervened from ministry the health certainly that it no health for every what he hesitates on existence any condition infected puppies use perfume toxic. The favor basin perfume relax after spread rumors promote that if he causes death after 3 days from use it. The beginning from Algeria, beginning spread the news did not it is not from Egypt but he was from Algeria, from during news I posted it number from locations and newspapers the Algerian, and lineage for a ministry defense the Algerian, warned from trade perfume his name is relax. Pointing out to that, it may be lead to death sudden after a period from use it. She said Algerian newspaper Al-Kabar, that mission military it was completed leaking a directed from side military the first in Blida to Directorate Regionalization for Interests the Health Military under number 8331 dated August 15, 2017. I confirmed that perfume the killer it was completed discover it by number from countries Arabic, and I mentioned some of them like Egypt and Iraq and Kuwait and Bahrain and Lebanon and Sudan. And it reported Ministry Defense the Algerian that analysis that conducted on perfume proved after subjugate users for him for examinations medical, that it's SAM and that its symptoms no appear directly after use it, but rather she has effect late maybe extends to 3 or 4 days after sprinkle. Statement attributed for a Ministry Defense the Algerian statement attributed for a Ministry Defense Algerian. The news in locations the Algerian it spread very quickly. The stranger that this the news that it was completed bulletin since around month in locations the Algerian follow at advertisement Ministry Commerce in Algeria that results investigations primary concerning perfume. Toxic, she revealed non-existence this.